Hi everyone, welcome back to Arm Candy, and we've got a super cute little Gucci to show you today, and this is the Gucci Marmont Matelasse mini bag, and I think a bag like this is just a necessity. It's like the equivalent to the little black dress is the little black crossbody. It can be used kind of every day, an evening bag, a clutch. Yeah, it's just a great option, so versatile and a great option for any occasion. So I'll show you through the features of this bag. We've got one long strap that is leather at the top, and then we've got chain as well, and that is actually removable by these loops on either side. And then we've got a zip top closure, and it's got this leather zip tassel kind of zip pull, and then inside we've got microfiber lining and just one pocket there as well. And then on the front we've got that iconic GG hardware, and then again on the back we've got that GG quilted stitched into that Matelasse leather. So the condition of this bag we have called the exterior good. There's just a couple of marks, so just on the back here, just above that GG, there's a little bit of a mark there. The corners are starting to show a little bit of wear. I'll show you each of those corners so you can see the condition of those. And it's quite soft structured anyway, and you can just tell that it's been used. It's not quite got perhaps its initial kind of structure, but it's a nice soft leather, so it lends itself to being kind of a soft shape. The inside, the interior, we've called fair, and I'll show you why. There's a fair few marks on the inside, just along that microfiber lining, but nothing major, and there's no rips or tears or anything like that. It's just a few marks along that interior. I'll just show you again from the other side. The hardware we've called good. Again, there's nothing in particular for me to show you, but you can just tell that it has been used before, but it all still works really nicely, and that zip still works very well. So that is why we've called the condition of the hardware good. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. I will show you what this Gucci comes with. So we've just got a Gucci dust bag with it. If you wanted to know the exact measurements of this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop this bag, so it should hopefully take you directly to this Gucci. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold, but you do have a couple of options. So you can have a browse through our website, have a look at all of our other beautiful bags, purses and wallets, and hopefully there'll be something on there that you like. But if it is this in particular that you're really in love with, then let us know and we will get you on our request list. You can do that by just sending us over an email or filling out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this bag and we'll get you on our request list for it, and send you through an alert next time we get in one just like it. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I can show you on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10, I'm 5'4", and so on me this is what it looks like. You can have it as a crossbody, so it's a nice long strap and really, really comfortable. Or you can pop off that long strap and take it off and have it, pop it off like that, and then on the other side as well, just clip that off there, and I'll just pop that down, so you can have it as a little clutch as well, and it looks really cute with that little leather zip pull on there. So you've got the option to have it as a clutch like that as well. So for more details on the bag, again, go to the link in the description below. Have a browse to our website while you're there, sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that discount code on your first purchase with us. And have a look at the How to Sell with Us page, where you'll find all the details you need to know about selling your bags with Arm Candy Bag Co. And I'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.